Hi, I'm Tim Koch with the Ashokan Watershed Stream Management Program. Today I'm on the Bushnellsville Creek in the town of Ashokan, New York, to help out with a reference reach survey. Now, a reference reach is a naturally occurring, stable length of stream. And a reference reach survey is a detailed analysis of that stream. And I mean detailed. There are over 67 measurements and ratios that are calculated. And these measurements and ratios try to understand the stream's dimension, pattern, and profile. Now, for a more in-depth look into what stream stability is and how we measure dimension, pattern, and profile, check out the AWSMP YouTube page and the video on river stability that we have there. But for now, let's get working on this survey. This reference reach survey serves two purposes. The first is as a control site for a project that AWSMP is funding that looks at the response of fish communities to stream restoration projects. At one of our future restoration sites, that fish community will be sampled before and after construction. And we expect to see a difference in that before and after data set. But how much of that change will be because of natural variation? Well, that can be answered by comparing that data to what we see here at the Bushnellsville site that has had no construction. This reference reach on the Bushnellsville Creek is characterized by flowing in a confined glacial valley. It has a relatively straight channel and has only limited access to narrow floodplains. So the dimension, pattern, and profile data that we're collecting at this reference reach can be used to inform stream restoration designs at sites with similar constraints. For example, that could be a site where the stream is confined by a road or developed property on one side, and where the stream has to be kept relatively straight and there's not a lot of room to build floodplains. And in the confined valleys of the Catskill Mountains, that's a pretty common occurrence. There's a touch of autumn in the air, and I can't think of a better place to be than on a healthy and beautiful stretch of stream. So until next time, so long from a stable reference reach on the Bushnellsville Creek in the town of Ashokan, New York.